Okay, so now we can start our session. Okay, guys, I'm sharing my screen first. Yeah, everybody, are you able to see my screen? Tell me, guys, everyone. Everybody can see my screen visible? Okay, guys, thank you. Yeah, thank you, guys. Okay, so in yesterday class, we have seen, like first, we have seen about the data types, guys, correct? That numeric data, text data, and the Boolean data, which we have, correct, guys? So in numeric data types, we have seen two data types basically. First is integer, that are positive and negative value or number, including zero, correct? So that are integer values. We learn about the type function also, guys, correct? Which gives us the type of data, that which type of data it is. Correct, guys? Now we have studied about the float data types, means positive and negative decimal values, positive and negative decimal numbers. Correct or not, guys? Correct. And which is the type of that number or data type. Okay. Then we have text data type. In text data type, we have strings. So strings, and to write string, we use single or double quotes, whatever we want. Correct. And we just print the type of the string. Okay, string data type. Then in Boolean, we have two values, true and false. T and F should be capital in true and false, and we have print the type of that Boolean data also. Okay, guys. So these are the different basic types of data which we have in Python. Then we studied about the comments also, guys, that how to write a comment, multi-line and single line comments. That we have studied that how to line a multi-line and single line comment. Okay, guys. Clear? Clear, everybody? Now we have seen about the typecasting, guys. Then we have seen about the typecasting, that to change our one data type to another data type, we use typecasting. Correct? We use typecasting, guys. So here we have converted some of the data types to each other, basically to integer, to float, to string. Okay, guys? Clear? Then we have studied that how to take the user input. How to take the user input. Correct, guys? So this is the input function which we use to take the input from the user. Okay, to take the input from the user. Now by default input take the string values only. So now by default input take the string values only. Okay, so to convert it into an integer, we write it here like int. Okay, guys, clear? We write it here int. Okay. So now we have seen about the operators, guys. Basically, what are the operators? That are basically the symbols which specify that what the operation need to be done. Okay, what the operation need to be done. In operators, we have seen about the arithmetic operators, guys. Correct? Arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we have seen about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor. Correct, guys? So all the functions have different symbols, operators basically. So addition has plus sign, this sign for subtraction, this is for multiplication, this is for division, this is for modulus. Modulus basically gives you the remainder. Modulus basically gives you the remainder. Okay, guys. Now we have floor division. Floor division will give you only the integer value, only the values which are before decimal. Okay, guys, that values. Okay. Now we have seen about the exponential also, guys. Exponential means the power operation which we performed. Correct, guys? Then we have seen about the assignment operator. When we want to assign some value to a variable, we use assignment operator. So we have seen about equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, divide equals to. Okay. So when we want to add some values, decrement some value, increment some value, divide some value by some number. Yeah, good morning, Ankita. Okay, so there we use assignment operator. Then we have comparison operators. Basically, when we want to compare the things, we use this comparison operator, greater than, smaller than, greater than equals to, smaller than equals to, not equals to. Okay, equals to. When two values are equals, we use equals to. Correct? So these are some comparison operator we have seen, guys. Then we have some logical operators. When we want to compare basically multiple conditions, then we have, so we use logical operator. In logical operators, we have seen three logical operators: and, or not, and, or not. And if both the statements, will be right here, and will be run if both the statements are true, then only it will give you the true output. If any one is false, it will give you false. Okay, guys. and then we have or basically if any one statement is true, it will give you true as an output. If both the statements are false, then only we will get the false output. If any one is true, we will get the true output in or. Okay guys, and then we'll see not basically gives you the opposite value. Whatever the value there are, the opposite value will give by the not. Okay, given by the not. Okay guys, so these are some logical operators which we have seen. Okay guys, so anybody, any doubt till here? Anybody? Everybody is clear with these points, guys? Tell me, everyone. Clear? Yeah. Okay, what about others? Only Subhadeep and... Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So if everybody is clear with this part, so we can move on forward to our next operators. That is our membership operators, guys. Okay. Yeah, Lavanya, I told you, just try doing the same code in the new notebook. Just create a new notebook and try to do this in the new notebook. Okay. Okay, clear, Lavanya? Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's start now. Let's start now with the first operator of today's class. Okay. So here we have a membership operators. Membership operators. Okay, membership operators. Okay, guys. So now what are membership operators are? What are memberships operator basically? So it tells us, yeah, correct, Sudhir, in not in, means it tells us about that something is present in our list or not. Something is present in our list or not. We will see about the list, guys, don't worry. We will see about the list in details. Let's just understand that if what membership operators does, it just check that something is present in our list or not. So what it does, it tells about the value. It tells about the value whether they are member of list or not. Member of list or not. Okay, guys. So if anything is present in our list, it will give you true. It will give you true. Otherwise, it will give you false. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Clear or not? Clear or not? So in membership operator, we have keywords. We have keywords like in and not in. Okay, guys. We have keywords like in and basically not in and not in. Okay, guys. Clear? In and not in. Now let's see. Here I'm just creating a list, guys. Don't worry, we will see about the list in details. Here I'm just creating a list. Let's say fruit basket. Okay, guys, fruit basket. So this is my list. Now here I am passing. Let's say I'm passing my some values. Okay. Let's say apple. Ma'am, I think this will suit. Checks if a value exists in a sequence, list, tuple, string, etc. Yeah, you can say that, Subdeep. You can say that. Okay, you can say that anything, if a member of a list or not. Okay, if anything is a member of a list or not. Okay, tuples basically that is also tuples, and it will also be like that for tuples on strings also. Okay, guys, for tuples and strings also. Okay, guys, clear? Okay, so let's see some examples, guys. Let's see some example. What is tuple? Yeah, Pranav, we will come to that part. That what is tuple and all. Okay, we will come to that part. First, just see that what membership operator is doing. Okay, so here I'm just creating a list of fruits. Okay, here I'm just creating a list of fruits. So in that we have different fruits. Let's say apple, mango. Okay, mango. Then we have grapes. Okay, grapes. Yeah, and then we have some, let's say kiwi. Okay, guys. Okay, so these are some fruit name which I have. Now what I do? Print. Let's say if I want to check that apple Apple is present in my list or not? Apple is a member of my list or not? So how do we check? How do we check? We just write here apple in fruit basket or not? Apple in fruit basket or not? Correct guys? Apple in fruit basket or not? So what will be the output guys? What will be the output? Everyone tell me what will be the output? True? True guys? Can you see that Apple is present in our list or not? Apple is present in our list or not? Correct? Apple is present, correct? So when I run this code, okay, when I run this code, see, you're getting the true output, guys. You're getting the true output, correct? Now what? Let's say if I print something that is not present in our list. Let's say okay, banana guys, banana in fruit basket. Okay, banana in fruit basket, guys. See, we are getting false output, guys. False output because banana is not present in our list. Banana is not a member of our list, guys. Correct? Correct, guys. Clear. Let's say an example of not in also. Let's say if I said print. Let's say kiwi not in fruit basket. Now guys, what will be the output? Guys, everyone tell me. Not in basically returns that if the value is not present in that list or not. Okay, Clash, true. So membership operator returns in boolean, right? Yes, Rakshit, membership operator returns in boolean. Okay, because we are checking that if the member is if the apple or banana or the fruits are member of a list or not. So it will give you the boolean values. Okay, it will give you the boolean values. Clear, everybody? What will be the output of the last code that I have written, that print kiwi not in fruit basket? What will be the output, guys? Everyone? Yeah, okay, false. Subhadeep is saying false. What about others? Yeah, okay, everybody is saying false. Let's see, false. Why guys? Because see, kiwi is present in our fruit basket, guys. Correct? Kiwi is present in our fruit basket. So it is saying that kiwi is not in fruit basket. That is false. That statement is false because kiwi is present in our fruit basket. So that's why it is giving me false. Clear, everybody? Clear with membership operators? Guys? Tell me, everyone. Yes? Okay, guys. So next we have, what we have? We have an identity operators, guys. We have identity operators, right? We have identity operators. So let's see, guys. Let's see identity operators. Okay, so this is our identity operators, guys. Now, what are identity operators basically? It tells us about the value that share the same address, or not. That if they share the same address or not. Okay, guys. So let's say, check if the variables refers to the same object in our memory or not. Okay, guys. So let's say here we have is operator, is keyword, basically is keyword we use, is or is not. Okay, guys. So let's see, guys. Okay, so in this we have keyword. Let's say is and not is. Okay, is and not is. Okay, let's say I am creating a value, basically a list 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, so this is my x value. This is my x. Now let's say I'm writing here y is equals to 1, 2. Okay, x is 1, 2, 3 and y is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, guys. Now here I'm printing. Now here I'm printing. What will be the definition of identity operator? See, it will check. It will check that the value or the variables, if they share the same memory or not. If they share the same memory or not. Okay. Okay, that are your identity operators. It just check that variable refers to the same object or not, whether it refers to the same object in our memory or not. Okay. Okay. It just basically compares your memory location. It just basically compares your memory location. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So here we can see that both the lists are referring to the same location. Both the lists are referring to the same location or not, guys. Tell me, everyone. If I write print, let's see, guys, let's see. X is Y. What will the output, guys? Tell me. Yes, Swaroop. Yes, Swaroop. See, identity operators, basically, I'm telling you, identity operators. So, what identity operators are? It are used to basically just compare your memory location. If the two variables, let's say, I have created X variable and I created Y variable. If those two variables are locating to the same memory or not, if both the two variables are referring to the same object in memory or not, okay, or not, okay, not that if they have same values, not, it is not like that if they have same values, no, it is just if they are referring to the same memory or not, if they are referring to the same memory or not. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, clear? Yes. Okay. Now here we can see the values of X and Y are same. Here the values of X and Y are same. So if I write X is Y, if I write print X is Y, see, guys, false. False, because it is not referring to the same memory. Values are same. Values are same, but it is not referring to the same memory. Okay, because it will be stored in a different memory and it will store in a different memory. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear, everyone? Clear, everybody? Clear, everyone? Okay. Let's say I have another example. Let's say if I write here, let's say if I write here like, let's say if I write here like, let's say A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, here I have A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Yes, Rakshit. Yes. Now I write B is equals to A. Now I write B is equals to A. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, Vijay, I'm coming to that. Okay. Now, guys, so what are the identity operators? Okay, what are the identity operators? It tells you like if you have created two variables, let's say I have created one variable as X, correct, Vijay? I have created another variable as Y, correct? Both the values are same. The value of X is also 1, 2, 3. The value of Y is also 1, 2, 3. But X is stored in different memory location and Y will be stored in a different memory location. Correct? Now what identity operators does? Now what identity operators check? It checks that whether two variables like X and Y here we have, whether these two variables refer to the same memory location or not. Whether to refer to the same memory location or not. Yeah, it is like X is a cup and it is one house and Y is another cup which looks the same as X but Y is another house. Correct. Okay. So like X will be stored, like it's say X will be stored in a different memory, Y will be stored in a different memory, guys. Correct. So if both the variables are referring to the different object, different memory location or not, to check that we use identity operator. To check that if both the values are referring to the same memory location or not, we use identity operator. Okay, Vijay, clear or not? Tell me. Can you please give a real-time example where it will be used to check? Is it to check two variables reference alone? No, it is just to check the variable. See, values are equal. Here we can see values are equal, but it refers to another memory location and it refers to another memory location. Okay, It refers to another memory location. Correct or not? क्या बोलते प्रीति? Identity operator is comparing one data to another data, right? Yeah, it is comparing basically the memory location. Sarup, it is comparing the memory location, whether if I'm creating my x variable and my y variables, whether it locates or it assigns to a same memory, it assigned to be a same memory or not. Yeah, Arif, let me tell you. Okay, here I write a is equals to 1 to 3, correct? Here I write a is equals to 1 to 3, and here I am pointing b. I am pointing b is equals to a. B is equals to a. Okay. B is equals to a. Yeah, yes, Sudeep, but we don't go to that memory location part. We just have to know that what are identity operators, how they use. Okay, how they use. Okay, let's say we will write here print a. Let's say I write print a is b. Okay, guys, a is b. Let's say so here you are getting the true output. Here we are getting the true output because a has some values. Okay, guys, a has some values. So that values will be assigning to a, correct, guys? So that value will assign to a. Now b, now we have created another variable b, and it is locating to the same memory as a. It is assigning to the same memory as a, correct? So that's why we are getting true. Okay. Yeah, so that is for memory location. That is for memory location. Okay. You can print that, guys. You can print that. Okay. Okay, everybody, clear or not, everybody? It is just to check your memory location. Okay. See, guys, both the memory locations are same. Guys. Correct or not? Everybody? Anybody? Any doubt? Tell me, everyone. Yeah. So it just checked that no Soumya. Okay. You have any doubt? Okay. So when we want to compare that whether two variables which we have created, belongs to the same memory or not. Okay. ID refers to identity basically. It just gives you the memory location. Vijay. Okay. So it just used in identity operators to just show the memory location. Just show the memory location. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Everybody is clear with the identity operators or not, guys? Everybody? Any doubt? Okay. So can we move on? Yeah. Okay. Sudhir. Okay, guys. So this is about the operators, guys. Okay. This is about the operators in Python. Okay. In Python. Okay, guys. Clear? Let's move on to another part, guys. Yes. Okay. Now guys, what we have, we have our data types. The basic data types we have seen, like numeric data, text data, and boolean data. Correct? Numeric data, text data, and boolean data, guys. Correct? Now what we have, we have some sequential and unsequential data, right? We have sequential and unsequential data. Now what are these data? Guys? Let's see. So here, ma'am, I believe we have not is operator as well. Can you please give not is example? Yeah, Sanil, you can just write it here. Like if you write here, like here, it is referring to a same memory location or not. X and Y are two different. If you write here, print. Let's say X not is Y. Okay. If you write it like that, okay, just a second. Just a second, guys. Image. Here I have Okay, here I have, let's see, two lists we have. So we will write here print, print, print. Here I can write, ma'am, we can change the font size of Google Colab. Can we check the, you can just check here after the edit option. Can you just check that? Can we just check that? Let's see here, X is not Y. See, who will ask me the question? I tried it, giving me error. Sunil, see. See, so here X and Y have this different memory location. X and Y have the different memory location, guys. So X is not Y, correct? X is not Y because X and Y are two different memory location. In two different memory location. Yeah, you can do that. Press Control and scroll your mouse, but okay. Okay, Sanil. Okay, so it is not. Yeah. Okay, is and is not. Yes. Now what we have, we have our two types of data types, basically two types in which we have sequential data types, guys, sequential data types and non-sequential data type. We have sequential data types. Okay, in sequential data types we have, guys, let's say a list, tuple and bitwise operators. So the in our curriculum, bitwise operator is not there and it is not that much usable. If you want, guys, I can tell you. About bitwise operator. But see, bitwise operators basically does basically convert it into your bit values, correct? Bit values. So we have some number. We will convert it into bit values, and then we will get the output. But here we have a compiler and interpreter. So interpreter already doing this for us. Interpreter already converting our code into a bit values, guys, correct? To understand by the machine. Okay. To understand by the machine. So we don't have to use it that much. Okay, yeah, it is mainly used in DSC to make code optimized. Okay, so here we cannot use that much bitwise operator. Okay, in Python we don't use that much bitwise operator because already the interpreter giving us the changing our code into the bit. So why we need to do that? Okay, so why we need to do that? Okay, clear, Sudhir? If you guys want, I can tell you. About the bitwise operators also. Okay, but yeah. Okay, no need. Okay, guys. So in sequential data types, we have list, tuple. We have list, tuple, and strings. Basically, which we have already learned about the strings. Correct, guys? And there are. This is okay. Just a second, guys. List, tuple and strings, and then we have our unsequential data types. Okay, guys, unsequential data types. Okay, and in unsequential data types, guys, we have dictionary. Yeah, that is your data structures, basically. Dictionary and sets. Okay, dictionary and sets. So in sequential data types, we have list, tuple, and strings, and in unsequential data types, we have dictionary and sets. Okay, we have dictionary and sets. Now, what I mean by sequential and unsequential. Yes, because in sequential we have indexes. Correct? We have indexes. Okay. Now if I say, let's say, what I mean by sequential and unsequential. Sequential data type store ordered collection of elements. These elements can be accepted. Correct, Kirti. So sequential means when I write something in sequence. Let's say I am writing one, and then I am writing here some name like Keith. Okay, here I am writing Keith. Okay, so this is at one. Now second I am writing Sudeep. Okay, let's say Sudeep. Okay, correct. Now and third I am writing like Anjali. Okay, Anjali. So is it in a proper sequence, guys? Is it in a proper sequence? Correct? It is in a proper sequence, guys. These values are in a proper sequence. So these are your sequential data types. Okay. So these are basically the sequential. So in list, tuple and strings, we have sequential data. Okay. We have sequential data. Okay. And if I write anything without any indexes, without any, yeah, order, correct. In any order. Okay. So if we write something in an order, then it is known as sequential. And when we write something randomly, then it is known as our non-sequential data types. Okay, our non-sequential data types. Clear, everyone? Clear what are sequential and non-sequential data types? What are sequential and non-sequential data types, guys? Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yes? Okay. Okay, guys. So let's see one by one about the sequential and non-sequential data types, guys. Let's see. So first we will see about unsequential data types, guys. Okay. First we will see about unsequential data types, and then we will move on to the sequential. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So in unsequential data types, first we have, okay, in our unsequential data types. Now, sequential data types. So the first we have dictionary, guys. Correct? Dictionary. Okay. Now what are dictionary? In simple, in real time, what are the dictionary, guys? What dictionary tells us, guys? Everybody, what dictionaries tells us? What are dictionaries basically? What it has? Okay, guys. Yeah, key value pair, correct. We have some key, and we have some value, guys, correct. We have some key and we have some values, guys, correct. In dictionaries also, correct. In dictionaries, we have some word and its meaning, correct, guys. We have some words and its meaning, correct. That is what dictionary is. So dictionary is basically your key value pairs. Okay, dictionary is basically your key values pairs. Okay, key value pairs. So okay, so we can write here dictionaries are key value pairs. Okay, in dictionary we have key value pairs. Okay, we cannot get to information which we are not aware. We can get to information which we are not aware. What, Vijay? What information which we want? Yeah, that what dictionary tells us, correct. That's what dictionary tells us. That what you are trying to say, correct. In dictionary we have, correct. In dictionary we have key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs. Okay, guys. If I tell you, right, like write a code, just take variables. Let's take variables, right, to store the details of a person. Right, to store the details of a person, guys. Let's say the person name, age, job. Let's say person name, job, and country. Okay, country. Okay, so can you do this for me? Can you do this all? Can you do this for me? Let's say I said just store a person details, and print those values, guys. So can you all do that? Yes, everyone. You just have to store the person name, age, job, and basically its country. Okay, and then you have to print those values. So can you do that for me? Guys? Everyone. Dictionary is mutable. Yeah, correct. Sudhi, I'll just give you everybody a question. Just what you all have to do. You just store a person's details, his name, age, basically name, age, job, and country. Okay, and print those values. So can you all do that for me? Okay, guys, try this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Sudeep, correct. What about others, guys? What about everybody? Everybody do that. Everybody just do this. Okay. What about others, guys? What about others? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Good. Seep. Where is the code? Yeah. You have stored it in the dictionary. I just say normally. I just say normally, guys. Just yeah, it was sent. Yeah. Yeah. See. Yeah. I have seen that. I have seen. Yeah. Correct, Vijay. Correct. Good. Good, guys. Normally, you just have to store a person's details, its name, age, country, and just you have to print that. Okay. You just have to print that things. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good, Kirti. Good. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So how will you store? How will you store? You just create the first variable. Let's say name. Let's say name. Correct, guys. Let's say name. So here I'll write. Here I'll write. Let's say Kirti. Okay, Kirti. Okay. Now I want to store the age of a person. Age is, let's say, 24. Okay. Age is, let's say, 24. Now it's job. Let's say job is equals to, let's say, SD. Okay, software developer. Okay. Now let's say we have a country. Basically, that is your India, guys. India. Okay. So I have stored the details of a person. I have stored the details of the person, and you can just print that. You can just print that. Let's say name, comma age, comma job, and comma country. Okay, country. Okay, guys. So if I'm printing this, where is the income check is not a job? Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. So this way you will print. This way you will print. Correct. Correct. Everybody. Good, Rani. Good. Everybody. Good. Okay. So this way we can print our values. Now here we can see that we have created four variables. We have created basically four variables, and here this is how we are printing these values. This is how we are printing those values. Okay. Good, guys. Good. Good, everyone. Good. Okay, this is how we are printing those values. Now what we have to do, here, rather than creating four variables, can we do this in one? Yes, with the help of dictionaries. Okay, with the help of dictionaries. We have key value pairs. Pairs basically means two, guys. When we talk about pairs basically means two. So it will store one key and one value. Okay, so let's create this with a dictionary. So let's just create this with a dictionary, guys, using one variable only. Guys. Okay, so let's say I am creating a variable name person. Okay, person, and then I'm just making a dictionary, guys. So for making dictionary, we use this braces. Okay, we use this curly braces, guys. Okay, we use this curly braces. Now here I'm just storing the details of a person. I'm storing. So here it is my name. And here I'm writing. Let's say Kirti. Okay, then we use comma, and then we storing the age, guys. Okay, age. Now age is, let's say, 24. Okay, 24. Now we store the job. So now let's say job is SD. Okay, now let's say I'm storing is country. Okay, country, guys. Okay, country. And here I can write here, let's say India. Okay, so this is how we create a dictionary. Guys. Now if I print just person, see, you get the output. You get the same output. Correct, guys? So rather than storing this in four different variables, we just stored it in a dictionary. Which has key value pair. So this is basically your key, guys, and this is basically your values. Okay, this is basically your values, and these key values are separated by comma. Okay, these key values are separated by commas. Okay, so first we will write first pair, then comma, then the second pair, then comma, then the third pair. Okay, guys, clear? So what are the syntax? Basically, syntax of dictionary. Syntax. So in syntax, first we will write our dictionary name. Dictionary name, that is your person. Okay, dictionary name. And then we use curly braces. We use curly braces for creating a dictionary. Okay, we use curly braces, and then we have key. Okay, guys, key, and then we have value. Okay, key, and then we have values. Okay, okay, guys, and these key value pairs. These key value pairs are separated, guys, separated by, okay, separated by commas. Okay, okay, everyone. How to create a dictionary? Everybody understand this point is how to create a dictionary, guys. So we use curly braces. We have key value pairs. Okay, we have key value pairs, guys. Correct, correct. Clear, everybody? The syntax is colon in between key and value, no equals to correct. Yes, it uses colon. Okay, Vijay, it uses colon. This is the syntax of our dictionary. This is the syntax of our dictionary. Okay, yes. Okay, clear, everyone? Clear, everybody? Clear? Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Now let's I say. I just want the. Can you please tell me again, please? Yes, Srinivasa. Yes, Srinivasa. So here in unsequential data types, we have a data types dictionary. Now, if I tell you that print the details of a person, print the details of a person. So what you will do, you just create a name, his age, his job, and his country. Okay, and then you will print it like this. Print it like this. Now, what if I say, rather than creating these variables, rather than creating these values, this much of variables, can you store it in a one variable? Can you store it in a one variable? Correct. So how we can do this? We can do this by using dictionaries. We can do this by using dictionaries. Here we have key value pairs. Key value pairs. So this will be our key. This will be our key. This will be our values. This will be our values. This is my dictionary name. So in my dictionary names, I have created 4 key value pairs. 4 key value pairs, correct? So here, this is my name, this is my age, this is my age, this is my job, and this is my country. This is my country. And then I print person only. Print person, and then here you get the output. You get the same output, correct? Correct? So, and this is a syntax. Basically, this is the syntax of your dictionary. Okay? Is it possible? Is it possible to display one value? Yes, Vijay. That is what I'm telling you. That is what I'm telling you. That if I want only the age of a person, okay? If I want only the age of a person, so how can we do that, guys? How can we do that? So yeah, correct. And how we can do that? Like I want to see the age. Let's say age of the person. Okay, I want to see the age of the person. So how can we write that, guys? Print. Okay, we write print. And then what we will write, like person, we are talking about the person, and then we can access it using its key. So here age is the key, age. So age, and if you print this, see, you are getting 24. You are getting the 24. So if you want to access a value inside our dictionary, you use keys. Okay, we use keys. So here we can write that keys are used to access. I'm getting error in this. Can you please let me know what is missing? Can you just paste the code, Sanil, and the error also? Okay. 30 is integer number, Sanil. 30 is integer number. You have stored it in a string format. Sanil. Okay, yeah. So keys are used to access the values present inside your dictionary. Okay, guys, clear? So how to get the access of a particular value? If you want a particular value from a dictionary, we can use keys. Okay, we can use keys to get that. Okay, we can use keys to get that. Clear, everyone? Clear or not? Yes, guys, everybody clear? Yes. Okay, guys. Now what, guys? Let's say if I want, can you write, everybody? Everybody, can you write that if I want the country of that person? So can you write the code, guys, everybody? I want to see the country of the person. I want to see the country of. Okay, so can you all do this for me? Can you all do this for me, guys? Everyone, try this. Try this once. Okay, try this once, guys. Okay, good, everybody. Okay, clear, everyone, clear. This is how you do that. Print, then person, the dictionary name, and then in square brackets we will pass our key. In square brackets we will pass our key. Okay, so country. Okay, U is missing. Yeah. See, clear, everyone. Clear that how to get a particular value from the dictionary. How to get the particular value from a dictionary. Clear, everyone? Yes. Okay, guys. Now if I tell I want to update my age. Now if I tell that I don't want age is 24, I want to, let's say I want to add my new value. Let's say I want to add a key value. Let's say I want to add salary of a person in this. Let's say I want to add salary of the person. Okay. Let's say I want to add the salary of this person. Okay. Okay, guys. Ma'am, when to use this, how will I know? See, curly braces, I told you curly braces are used to basically create your dictionary, Kiran. Create your dictionary, correct? Yeah, good. Create your dictionary, okay? Now what I say when you want to access keys, okay? When you want to access keys, so you use square brackets, okay? You use square brackets, okay? Okay, Kiran? So you use square brackets, okay? Yes? Yeah. Okay, guys. Now if I said I want to add salary in this. Now what I said that, let's say we want to add the salary of the person. Okay, we want to add the salary of a person. So what we can do, we can just write person, and then here we can pass the new key which I want to access, new key which I want to add basically. So salary is my key, guys. Salary is my key, and then here you can assign the value to this key. Let's say I am writing 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Okay, guys. Okay, now if I call my list, see, this is my list. So salary is added, guys. See, salary is added in this. Salary is added in the list, guys. Correct or not? Yes, everybody tell me, salary is added in this list, in this dictionary. Yes, yeah. Okay, guys, clear? Now what I say, if I say that I don't want my age to be, let's say 24. Okay, I want to update this value. Okay, let's say I said I want to modify my dictionary. I want my age to be 20. I want my age to be 20, guys. So how can we do that, guys? How can we do that? Same, guys, same. Let's say I to change the age of the person. Okay, so if I say I want to change the age of the person, so what I can do, I can write here person, guys, person, and then the key which I want to change, age. Correct or not, guys? The key which I want to change, that is your age, and then here I can write 20, and then here I can write 20, guys. So now if I print my dictionary, see, age is become 20. Age has become 20, guys. Correct or not? Tell me, everyone. Clear or not, everybody? Clear or not, everyone? Yes. So this is how you can add a new key. This is how you can add a new key to the dictionary, and this is how you can modify your dictionary. Okay, this is how you can change your dictionary values. Okay, this is how you can change your dictionary values. Correct? Correct, guys? Clear or not, everyone? Anybody, any doubt? You can tell me now, guys. Anybody, any doubt? You can tell me now. Tell me, guys, everyone. If you are having any doubt, you can tell me now. Okay? Yes? Okay, now I said here I can add a new value. Now how can I delete? How can I delete my some values like I don't want my job. I don't want the job of the person. I am saying that I want to delete job of the person. Okay, I don't want the job of the person. So how can we do that, guys? How can we do that? So how can we do that? Using the del keyword. Okay, using the del keyword, guys. Okay, okay, using the del keyword. Okay, keyword del. Okay. Can I use input on dictionary? Yes, you can use. You can use. Okay. Yeah. Okay, can we do any changes made in dictionary? Can we do any changes made in dictionary? Satish, we are doing that. We are doing the change. Here, my person age is 24. Now, I am updating it to 20. Now, I am updating it to 20. Okay. Yeah, for printing, we can directly give the variable name without print function. So, whatever you write in the last, whatever you write in the last of the cell, that will be get printed. Okay. That will be get printed. Okay. Print d dot get age, we can get keyword to extract value, madam. Yes, you can do that, Sudhir. You can do that. Okay, you can do that. Okay, there are so many methods to get that. Okay, there are so many methods to get that. Okay, I am asking, it is possible to go back to original values, to go back to original values. Yes, Satish, you want to go back to original values. Okay, so you can update it like that. If you want to 24, so you can update it like that 24. Okay, so this is how you can go back to your original values. Okay, this is how you can go back to your original values. Okay, clear or not? Yeah. Okay. Is there code to undo? What you want to undo, Darshita? No need. You need to do it manually. Yeah, you need to do it manually. You can here pass here the value which you want. Okay, you can pass here the value which you can want. Okay, okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. No need to do the original values. How can we delete? I missed that. Yeah. See, I'm telling that. I'm telling that part that how can you delete something? Okay. So you have the del keyword for that. We have the del keyword for that. Okay, we have the del keyword for that. Okay, let's say if I want to delete the job of the person, I want to delete the job of the person, so I use this del keyword and then person, from person, and the dictionary that I want to delete is the job. Okay, guys, clear. So now if I write person, see a job, I think it's capital. Yeah. Okay, see, can you see job in this? So can you see job now in the dictionary, guys? Can you see job now in the dictionary, guys? No, no, correct. So it is deleted, guys. So it is deleted. Here, everyone, it is deleted. It is deleted from the dictionary now. Yes. Yeah. Okay. We can use person dot pop in dictionary. What you are saying that the pop method in dictionary, yeah, you can do that, Subhdeep. You can do that. Okay. You can have to just pass the value key. You just have to pass the key which you want to delete. Okay. Which you want to delete. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear. A person dot update phone this address this. What you are using, Kirti? What you are doing? What you are doing here? You are just updating the values. You are just updating the values, or you are just adding new values. add multiple key values. Add multiple key values. Okay. Yeah, so it will use to add or basically update your values which are there, which are already there. You can update that and you can add that value. Okay, so I have told you both the things, that if you want to add a new key values, you can do it like this. Okay, you can do it like this, and if you want to change or update any values, you can do it like this. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, clear everyone, that how to create a dictionary, how to add new key values in the dictionary, how to get the age, how to change the age of the dictionary. It shows error with pop. It shows error with pop. Sheep, what is the code that you have write? Can you show me the code that you have write? Print dot pop salary. Person dot pop salary. Why it is showing you error? Why it is showing you error? I don't think so. It will give you the error. What is the error? What is the error? Can you show me? Can you show me C? Ma'am, I changed. I changed job. I think there is a key error. Just check that is J is in capital or not. See, just check J is in capital or not in your dictionary. Ma'am, I changed the age from 23 to 20. Okay, Pratham. Okay. But instead, if updating, person age is trending using this syntax, but instead, if updating, what is your issue, Pratham? A new age is being added. A new age is being added. Are you using the correct key? Pratham, are you using the correct key? Just check the key name age is correct or not in the dictionary. The value we deleted, if added against adds at in, we can add in the same order again. We can add in the same. See, Abhishek, this is an unsequential data type, correct? There is no order. Okay, there is no order. Okay, unshapeable type list. Unshapeable type list. Can you show me the code? Seep. Can you just show me the code once all? Okay, person salary is equals to this, person age is equals to this, print person, deleting job person, print person, do this, person dot pop job, print person. Yeah, it is the correct code. It is the correct code, Subdeep, that you have told. It is the correct. Okay. So what you are doing? Okay, you are passing a list value. Okay. Okay, see, you just have to remove that braces. So if what your braces do when you want to access keys, you can use this braces. So before that, you have to write the key name. Oh, sorry, dictionary name. Okay. Then you use that key square brackets. Okay. Then you use that square brackets. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear with this dictionary. Tell me, guys. Anybody any doubt? Any doubt? If I tell you to let's say if I tell you to create a new dictionary, everybody can do that. Everybody can do that or not? And I want to give you some updation. Okay, guys, everybody can do that now. Yes, clear, everybody, clear. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. So let's say, can I give you an homework, guys? Can I give you an homework of dictionary? Okay. Can I give you an homework of dictionary? Okay. Can I give you guys? Yes. Okay, guys. So I'm just giving you all a question. I'm giving you all a question. Let's say just create a dictionary, guys. Create a dictionary. Okay. Dictionary. Okay. Okay. Let's say with let's say with same like name, age, okay, hobby, and let's say it's how to avoid key error. How to avoid? Just use the right key, Sudhir. You have to use the right key. Okay, just check the spelling. Just check the spelling. If it is in capital letters, the key which you are using, if it is in capital letters or not. If it is in capital letters or not. Okay. Ma'am, abhi karke de. No, Pranav. No, Pranav. You don't have to do it now. You don't have to do it now. I'm giving you all the question. You will try, guys. If anybody face any issue, we will come tomorrow and we will discuss with that. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, yeah. So create a dictionary with name, age, hobby, and one more key, guys. One more key, whatever you want, you can add. Okay, you can add in this. Okay, then add a new key. Add a new key in this dictionary. Add a new key in this dictionary. Okay, guys. Whatever the key you want to add, you can add. Okay, okay, guys. And then and update the age to, let's say, 27. Okay, update the age 27 and delete the hobby. Delete the hobbies. Okay, hobbies. Okay. So this is the question, guys. If you all have to do, this is your homework. Basically, this is your homework. Okay. So everybody try this question and tell me, guys, if you have any issue. We will discuss tomorrow to that. Okay. We will discuss tomorrow with that. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear? Okay. Let's see some methods also. Let's see some methods also if you want. Okay, methods dictionary. Okay, guys. So we have some methods in dictionary. Let's say if you want to see a ma'am break. Okay, guys, do you want break, everyone? Guys, do you guys want break? 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. What is the use of person dot per? It is used to delete the key, basically. It is used to delete the key, Sanil. What we are doing with del. What we are doing with del. This is the same with what you are doing with pop. Okay. It is same. It is same. Okay. Okay, Sanil, clear? Yeah. Okay, guys. So do you guys want break for 5 minutes? Okay. So yeah. Can you explain add dictionary? Can you explain add dictionary? So Swaroop, if you want to add something, this is the code. This is the code you want to understand, Swaroop. This is the code. So what I am saying that if I this is the code. So what I'm saying that if I want to add a new key value pair, now what I'm saying if I want to add a new key value pair basically, so how can we do that? How can we do that? We just write the dictionary name, just pass the new key which I want to add, just pass the new key which I want to add and just assign the new value. Okay, just assign the value to the key. Okay, just assign the value to the key. So this is how your key will be added. See, this is how your key will be added. Clear, Swaroop? Clear or not? I want write this code, but it's just can you show me the error, Swaroop? Can you just show me the error? Okay, Kirti. Good. You have done the homework already. Sudhir, d is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Print d dot get 2, 0. T dot get a 50. By using this, we can avoid key error. See the key error which is coming, Sudhir, which is coming the key error, which is coming. That is because you have used the wrong spelling basically. If you have used the wrong spelling, basically the capital letters or small letters, so that's why it is showing you key error. Okay, that's why it is showing you key error. Okay. Okay. you can use the get method. You can use the get method so that you can retrieve a specified key. You can use that, but normally by using this you will not get key error. Normally by using this you cannot get key error if you are using the right key. If you use the right key you will not get that error. Okay. Okay, Swaroop. Yeah, Sanil, we are on break. We are on break. This is totally wrong. What is wrong, Pranav? What is wrong? I've started the timer 5 minutes, 4 minutes earlier, Pranav. Good, Kalesh, good. You guys already done the homework. Okay, guys. I hope everybody is back from the break, guys. Everybody is back. Yes? Yes? Okay, okay, guys. Okay. Now what I'm talking about the methods in dictionaries. Now what are the methods basically in dictionaries? So we have that dot keys, guys, dot keys methods. What it tells, it gives all the keys in my dictionary. In my dictionary. Okay, guys. So what if I want to get all the keys? Like this is my keys, guys. Basically, name, age, job, country, salary. So if I want all the keys present in my dictionary, all the keys present in my dictionary, I use dot keys. Okay, I use dot keys, guys. How? Let's see. Print, print, person dot keys method. Okay, guys, person dot keys method. Okay, so if I print this, guys, see, you are the getting the keys, guys. You are getting the keys. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? Tell me, everyone. Tell me, everyone. Anybody any doubt? So if you want to get the keys, if you want to get the keys, how can you do that? You can use the keys method. Okay, guys, you can use the keys method. Okay, to get the keys, to get all the keys which have present in your dictionary. Okay, which you have present in your dictionary. Okay, guys. Clear or not, everyone? Anybody any doubt? Yes. Okay. So now, how can we get all the values also? That is correct. How can we get all the values also? So what we have a values method also. Okay, guys. So what we have, how this help? How this help? See, Sanil, how this help? It will gives you the key names basically. What are the keys that I have present? So if you want only keys, value keys, yeah, correct, Sudhi. So you can get this by using keys method. Okay, these are some basic methods which are present in our dictionary. Okay, which are present in our dictionary. So we are giving that, we are learning that what are the different methods available in the dictionary. Available in the dictionary. Okay, okay, Sanil. Okay, yeah. Now what I said, if I want values, now what I say, if I want values, so I can use dot values. Okay, dot values. Okay, dot values. So what it gives, give all the value, all the value. Let's see, guys. So print print, yeah, if we want items in the dictionary, so we can get that. Okay, we can get the key values together. Okay, both the key values together. Okay, so how can we get that, we will see. Okay, so now if I said dot person dot, we can write here values. Okay, okay, yeah, correct, Sudhi. Okay, now so we have to print this. See, you get the, okay, name person, yeah, okay, b. Oh yes. Okay, see, you are getting all the values, you are getting all the values. Okay, you are getting all the values present in our dictionary. You're getting all the values present in our dictionary. Okay, now what you're saying, that if we want key values together, now if I want key values together, basically the items that are present in our dictionary, I want these two items together, guys. These two items together. So how can we do that, guys? How can we do that? We can use items. We can use items method. Okay, so we can use, just a second, we can use here items, guys. So what items method does? What items method does? So it gives it gives both key and value together, guys. It can give key and value together, guys. Correct. Now let's see here. I am printing person. Person is my dictionary name, guys. Dot values. Person dot values. See, guys. So this is person dot, sorry, items. Items. Okay, guys. So guys, see. Just a second. Yeah. See, you're getting both the key and the value, guys. Correct. You're getting both the key and the value. You're getting both the key and the value, guys. Correct or not? Yes. Yes. So these are some methods which are present in our dictionary. So these are some methods which are present in our dictionary. Okay. Which are present in our dictionary. Okay. Yes, class tuple. Okay. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Anybody any doubt? Clear everyone? Anybody any doubt? Nope. Okay. Clear everybody? Clear? Okay. Okay, guys. So these are some methods which are present in our dictionary. So we can, how can we use key? We use input for key value change. Change you want? Change you want? What change you want? Srinivasa, ma'am, can I do undo? Ma'am, can I do undo? Undo is not present in dictionary, Swaroop. Undo is not there. Okay, what you are trying to say, Srinivasa? What you are trying to say? Instead instead of age DOB, instead of age DOB. So you want to change the age to DOB, okay? If you want to change the age for the DOB, okay? Control for Z for that you want to undo, Saru. That you want to undo. I understand that you want to undo in dictionaries, okay? In dictionaries, okay? Now coming to Srinivasa, instead of age, yes, you can use that. Instead of age, you can use DOB also. You can use using input. Input function you want in a dictionary. Input function you want in dictionary. So like in SQL, Python does not have undo or rollback type of thing. Yeah, that is it. Sarup. And if you're talking in normally, you can use control plus Z. If you're talking in normal, how can we undo? You can use control plus Z. Okay. If I remove job dictionary, can I do undo? No, Sarup, you can't do in that sense. Okay, you cannot do undo. Undo is not present in our dictionary. Okay. Okay, Srinivasa, you want to see the input, how you can use the input function in dictionary, right? So let's say you are writing here person, you just create a simple dictionary. You just create a simple dictionary here. Okay. Now let's say if you want to add key one, you can add key one. Here you can use your input function, input, enter your key, enter your key, guys. Enter your key. Okay. Enter your key one. Okay. Now again you can add a value. Okay. Here you can add a value 1. Okay. Value 1. Okay. Here we can write input. Here you can write enter the value. Okay. Same you can do that with the different keys. Okay. Same you can do it with the different keys. Okay. Clear? Enter your key 2. Enter your key 2. Basically enter your value 2. Okay. Okay. Key 2 and value 2. Clear? Clear, guys? And then you can store it in your dictionary. You can store it in your dictionary. Okay. You can store it in your dictionary, guys. Okay. Like this is your dictionary. Person. Okay. Person dot. We have key 1. Okay. And then we can store the value 1 in this. Value 1 in this. Same we can do that for value 2 also. Person. We can create dictionary by using a dict map. Yes, you can create using dict keyword. Dict keyword is used to create dictionary. Okay. And you want to convert something into dictionary also, you can do that. Okay. You can do that. Okay. You can do that. Is it possible to change key in dictionary, like changing a name or to student? And yes, you can do that. Satish, you can do that. You just write your old key name and you can write it the new keyword key name. Okay. Okay. And you can just remove the old key name using the pop function. You can just remove the old key name and just add the new key name Okay. Okay, Satish. Just write just write this a person is your dictionary name, correct? And just write the new key name which you want to add, like what you want to add something like what you want, student name. Okay. So you can write person and then you can write student name equals to, and then remove your name data dictionary name dot pop and the name which you want to delete. Okay. Which you want to delete. Okay. So what pop does, it will remove your name and add the full name to that. Okay. And add full name to that. Okay. Okay. Clear? And then you can add, yeah, correct, Satish. Person, student name is equals to dict.pop. Dict is your dictionary name. Satish, is dict is your dictionary name or person is your dictionary name? So you have to add person.pop because person is your dictionary name, Satish. Okay. Person.pop. Person is your dictionary name. Okay, clear? Clear everyone? Yeah, correct. Correct, Satish. Okay, so person here, what I'm trying to say that can you do the input? So here you can write person key value one, okay, key one in value one, and then person key two, and then here you can write your value. Okay, guys, okay, and then you can just print person. Okay, so here you can write your keys, whatever you want, guys, name, and then the value, like let's say Satish, okay, okay, key two, let's say job, let's say data science, okay, data science. So here you can create it like using input function, you can create this, you can create the dictionary like this. Okay, guys, clear? Clear, everybody? Clear or not? Yes? Anybody any doubt, guys? Anybody is having any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? Or can you please share the last code in the chat? Yes, Sudeep, just a second. Just a second. This is the code. Okay? Okay? Okay, guys? Everybody is clear? Yeah. Okay. Everybody is clear, guys? Okay. So can we move forward? Can we move forward? Can we move forward, guys? Can we move forward, guys? Everybody? Yes? Yes, guys? Okay, the speed is correct or not, guys? You're telling me about the speed. The speed is correct or not, guys? Tell me. Is I'm going fast? Is I'm going fast, guys? Tell me, everyone. Okay. Yes, Tushar? Speed is good. What is Tushar? Any issue? Speed is not good. Are you clear with dictionaries, Tushar? Are you clear with the part? Whatever I've tell you, are you clear with the part? Clear? What about Tushar? Tushar is telling something. Clear or not, Tushar? Tell me. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Clear with the dictionary part, everyone? Everybody is clear with the dictionary part or not? Today's speed is perfect, Lavanya. Okay, okay, Vijay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is about the dictionaries, guys. So this is about the dictionaries. Now here we can see that we have key and we have values. Okay, we have key value pairs in dictionary, guys. Now what if I don't want key? I don't want key. I just want my values, guys. I don't want keys. Okay. Here I'm writing it in a key value pair. Here I'm writing it in a key value pairs. Now what if I want it? If I want only values, guys. Now what if I want only my values? I don't want key. I don't want keys. I just want values. Okay, guys. Okay, I just want my values. I don't want any key. Okay, I don't want any keys. I just want my values. So how can we do that? So here we can do that by using sets. Okay, guys. Here we can use that by using sets. Okay, guys. Sets. Clear or not? Clear or not, everybody? Ma'am, there are other methods in dictionaries like clear, update, get, set, copy, set, if you are covering to all or tell us the importance. No, Sigdeep, if we are going to cover all these things, then we are stuck in dictionaries only. Okay, then we are going to. So this is the important methods. Basically, if you can see, there are a lot of methods. If you see on internet also, there are a lot of methods in dictionaries also. So if we are going to see all that methods, the class will be lengthy. Okay, and we are not going to cover all the topics. Then we are not going to cover all the topics. We are stuck in dictionaries only. Correct? Correct? If you are going to see all the methods, right? So these are the important methods. These are basically the important methods that we can use. Okay? That are used the most. Okay? That are used the most. Okay? Okay, Subdeep? Yeah. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys. So now what I say that if I want value, I don't want any keys, I just want my values. So we can do this by using set. Okay. We can use this by using set. Okay. Guys, so let's see set. What are sets? Now let's see what are sets, guys. Let's see what are sets. Okay, guys. Sets. So you have studied about the sets in mathematics also, guys. You have studied about the sets in mathematics also, guys. Right? Right, everybody? Yes? It is not ordered. Yes, Sudhir, it is not ordered. It is not ordered. That's why it is unsequential. That's why it is unsequential data type. Yes? Okay, guys? Now before going to tell you about the sets, guys, so do you guys know about mutability and immutability? Mutable and immutable. Now what are this mutable and immutable data? Okay, now what are this mutable and immutable data? Here we can see in dictionary. Here we can does not support slicing and indexing. Sets does not. Okay, what I'm saying that what are mutables, guys? What are mutables? When we here we are creating a dictionary, guys, correct? At first we have created the dictionary. Now here we are updating the dictionary or not, guys? We are updating the values, like we are adding something, we are deleting something. Okay, we are adding something, we are deleting something, we are updating something, guys, correct? We are adding something here, we are updating something here, and here we are deleting something, correct, guys? So once the data type after creation, if we can manipulate the data, then we call it as mutable. Okay, guys, then we can call it as mutable. Yes, correct, and with a changeable and unchangeable. Okay, so mutable, what are mutable? The data type that can be manipulated, guys. Okay, the data type that can be manipulated. Okay, so that are your mutable data types. So the data types that can be manipulated, guys. Manipulated. Now what are these manipulation? You can adding, let's say deleting. Okay, deleting, updating, correct, guys? Updating. So these are your manipulations which we are performing, correct, guys? Which we are performing. Okay, guys. After creation we are doing this. After creation, yes. Can you please cite this cursor? Is it hovering? Okay. Data types or data manipulated. See, Vijay, these are two different things. I am telling you that these are your data types. See, basically these keys, dictionaries, sets, list, tuple. These are your data types, guys. Correct? These are your data types, unsequential and sequential. Now what I'm saying that those data types which can be manipulated. So here in dictionary, I am doing the manipulation. I'm adding something. I'm deleting something. I'm updating something. Correct? So those data type which can be manipulated after creation, that are called it as mutable data types. Okay, that are called as mutable data types. So dictionary is mutable or not, guys? Dictionary is mutable or not? Tell me, guys, everybody. Dictionary is mutable, correct? So here we can write that dictionaries are mutable. Here we can write that dictionaries are mutable, guys. Mutable. Correct, everyone? Yes. Now here, what are unmutables and immutable, guys? Immutable. Now, what are immutable? So we can say like that. Immutable. So immutable, that those values which we cannot manipulate it. Okay, those data type which we cannot manipulate. Okay, guys. So the data type that can't be manipulated, guys. Manipulated, correct? After creation, guys, correct, guys. So those are your immutable data types. Okay, so dictionaries is mutable. Okay, dictionaries is mutable. Clear, everyone? Dictionaries is mutables. Okay, now what are sets, guys? Now sets are basically your unordered unique collection of element, unique collection of data elements. Data elements. Now what I'm trying to say by unique. Now what I'm trying to say by unique. Okay guys, you will see that. You will see that what I'm trying to say about the unique. Okay, unique. Okay guys, so let's just create a dictionary first and we will see one by one. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, let's say I am creating a dictionary. Let's say I am creating a dictionary. Let's say some values, some data. Okay, data. Yeah, repeated values will be removed auto. Yeah, correct. Now let's say, so to create a dictionary, we also use this square braces. Oh, sorry, curly braces, guys. We use this curly braces to create sets also. Sets also, guys. So now here I have some values. So whatever the values, can you tell me some values, guys, so that I can fill it in data or whatever any values. Okay, any values you can give. Tell me some values, guys, so that I can write a set in a set, guys. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you can use that set also. You can use that set also, Sudhir. Okay, so here I'm just creating manually. So data, so this is my set, guys. So this is my set. Okay, this is my set. Let's say 7, 8. Okay, here I'm writing apple. Let's say, then here I can write something like, okay, let's say Sudhir. Here I can write, okay, name something. Okay, now here I can write some duplicates value also, guys. Let's say 3, 4 one more time. 3, 4 one more time, guys. Okay, and let's say Bangalore, something, some values, guys. Okay, now here if I print my data. Now here, see guys, everyone. Now if I print my data, guys, see everyone. So are you getting any duplicates value, guys? Here I write 3, 4 and here I write 3, 4 again. So are we getting 3, 4 two times? Are we getting 3, 4 two times, guys? See, no. Is it in a proper sequence, guys? Is it in a proper sequence? Like I have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in first, then I add apple, then I add Sudhir, then I add 3, 4, and then I add Bangalore. So you can see, are you getting the output in a proper order, guys? Are you getting the output in a proper order? No, guys, no, correct. So that's why we are saying that sets are unordered, unique collection of data elements because sets do not allows duplicates. Okay, guys, sets do not allows duplicates. Okay, in sets we can't have the duplicate values. Okay, guys. So here I have added the 3, 4 in duplicates. Okay, here I have added 3, 4 and again I add my 3, 4. But when I am printing my set, it is coming once only. Okay, it means it is coming once. Can you print the data again? Will it change the output? No, Sudhir, it will not. It is just showing you that sets are unordered. Sets are unordered because here I have write it in that format and it is coming in another format, right? Right, Srinivasa? So that's why we are calling it as unordered. Okay? Okay, guys, clear or not? Everyone, tell me, guys. What is unique? Unique basically means, see, here I have write 3, 4, correct, Srinivasa? Here I have write 3, 4 and again here I have write 3, 4. So it has to be show 3, 4 two times, correct or not, Srinivasa? It has to show 3, 4 two times because I have entered it 2 times. But here you can see 3, 4 only 1 time. Clear or not? It is showing only 1 time because that's why when you input it for one first, then why it is coming at a second place. Yes, Subhdeep. That's why, because sets are unordered. That's why it is I'm getting unordered. Yeah, Sanil, because sets are unordered. Because if you write something in a sequence, that is not sets because sets are unordered. So we are getting output in an unordered format. Okay, in an unordered way. Okay, Subdeep, clear? Yes, because it is unordered. So I have also write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 first, but it is coming like here, right? Because sets are unordered and sets do not allow duplicates. Okay, set do not allow duplicates, Srinivasa. Okay, that's why it is unique. That's why it is unique. Okay. Run it again. No, Subhadip, it will not give you any. I love this. Okay. Sets can be defined using curly braces, SEEP. Curly braces, it is same as dictionary. We can define sets using curly braces. Okay. Okay, SEEP. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's why I'm saying that sets are unordered unique collection of data elements. Okay. Sets are unordered unique collections of data elements. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, sets are mutable or immutable, guys. Sets are mutable or immutable. Sets are mutable, guys. Okay. Now, sets are mutable. Sets, oh, sorry. Here I can write sets are mutable. Sets are mutable. Now, why I am saying that sets are mutable? Because we can do the manipulation in sets. We can do the manipulation in sets. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So, let's say I want to add mutable means, can you explain one? Yeah, Srinivasaba, mutable means here in dictionary you have seen that we can add, first we create the dictionary, right? First we create the dictionary, right? And then we are adding, deleting, updating the values in dictionary, correct? Correct, Srinivasa? So once created, after creation, if you are able to get some manipulation in the data type, if you are doing some manipulation in the data type, if you are able to do the manipulation, then that data type is your mutable data types. Okay. Mutable means changeable. After creation, if you can change the values, if you can do the manipulation, if you add, delete something, that's what it is called as mutable. Okay. Okay, Srinivasa? Yeah. Okay. So now here I am saying data. Yeah, it is coming in the different order. Satish, correct? It is coming in a different order. Yes? Okay. Now what I'm saying that sets are mutable. So if I'm saying that sets are mutable, so we can add delete, correct? We can add delete from sets, right? Correct, guys? Right? So let's see. Let's see. I want to add a value. Okay, let's say a value. Let's say I want to add, let's say banana. Add banana to the sets. Okay. Okay. So how can we do that, guys? So how can we do that? Using the add method. Okay. Using the add method. Okay. Dot add. Okay. Dot add method. Okay, guys. So let's see, guys. Let's see. So this is my set data. Data dot add. Data dot add. And the value which I want to add is basically your banana. Correct, guys? Banana. So if I print my data now, if I print my data now, see, here you are getting the output. Here you are getting the output. Correct, guys? Okay. Sets actually use internal hash mapping. That's why it is showing output like this. It's not like how we put in the list. Correct, Subhi. Correct. Okay. Okay, guys. Clear? Ma'am, can we only add and delete values from sets? Can't update. Can't update. See, sets you have only values. In sets you have only values. So if you want, why you want to update it? Why you want to update it? Why you want to update it? You can add it. You can add it, right? Right? So it does not support indexing, right? In sets we don't support indexing. So how can we modify something? How can we update some values, right? Because sets are unordered, so we cannot do indexing, or we don't have any keys. We don't have any key to update the value. Correct or not, Ankita? Correct or not? Yeah, it is like unique list. Yes, ma'am. Clear? Okay. Okay. So here I am adding something. Here I am adding my banana. Correct? Oh, so see, banana is added. So what if I said that if I add another value, guys? Let's say tuple has no attribute add. Seep. Let me just check your code. Data dot add banana print data. Can you show me your sets? Seep, can you show me the set you have created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. It is correct. I don't think so. Can we delete? Yes, Sanil, we can delete also. I'll show you. I'll show you. Let's just a second. See, the code is correct. The code is correct. Just try it once again. The code is correct. Code is correct. See, yeah, not working. Can you try in another cell? See, can you try it another notebook or create a new notebook, or can you just try it again in a new cell? The code is correct. It will work. Okay, it will work. It will work. See, the code is correct. Okay, just try it anywhere else. Yeah, showing the error should be that tuple object has no attribute add, because you haven't created a tuple. See why it is showing like tuple. You have not created any tuple. Okay. Okay, guys. So I am using add. It working. Yes, Ankita, it will work because the code is correct. Okay. Now I'm adding something, guys. So you can use this or add method. Correct. Correct, everybody. Correct or not? Correct or not, guys? Yes. Okay. So now what I want to delete something. Now what if I want to delete something? Let's say I want to remove let's say I want to remove apple. Let's say I want to remove apple, guys. Apple from my set. From my set. Okay. So let's say how can we do that, guys? How can we do that by using remove method? Okay, guys. So by using remove method, correct, guys? By using remove method, guys, we can do that. We can do that. So let's say here, I can write data dot remove, data dot remove. Okay, data dot remove, and here I can pass here. I can pass my value. I can apple. So this apple is my value, guys. Correct? Apple. Apple is my value. APPL. Apple. Correct? Okay. Can we use discard? Yes, you can use Sudhi. There is so many method for that also. Okay. There is so many method for that also. Okay. That for that also. Okay. 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 I use del but get a syntax error. What is the syntax error you are getting, Sanil? Can you just show me? Okay. See, you're using del keyword for the entire set, it will not work. Okay. If you use the del keyword for the entire set, it will not work. Okay. Okay. You can use the discard method or the remove method, Sunil. You can use the discard method or this remove method for that. Attribute tuple has no attribute remove. Why it is showing you tuple C? You haven't created any tuple. You have not created any tuple. Sunil, you can use discard or remove for that. Just try it in another notebook, Seep. Can you just create a new set? Okay. Yeah, did you created any tuple previously? Because you haven't created any tuple, Seep, so that's why it is showing you error. Okay, why it is showing you error. If I want to remove all values, so you can pass that. You can pass that. Okay. Or you can use clear method also, RF, or you can use clear method also. So your set will be clear. Okay, your set will be clear. Okay, yeah. Go to runtime and run all. Yeah, that you can try that also. See if it is work. If it is work, then okay. Otherwise, you can just create a new notebook and then you just create a new set and then you perform these methods. Okay. Okay. See. Yeah. Okay. So now data dot remove, guys. Okay, so data dot remove method. Okay, so what is remove is doing? What this remove is doing? Remove is deleting. Remove is deleting the value. No, Srinivasa. No. Okay. No. So remove is deleting the value from our set. Okay. From our set. Okay, guys. Clear? Clear? Enough for today, Lavanya. If possible, we'll revise once again. Yeah, Vijay. We are completing this. Let's just see for few minutes more. Okay, just 5 minutes more. Okay, okay, guys. Yes, ma'am. Enough for today. Complete the set at least. Yeah, complete the set at least. It's creating some confusion. What scenarios we can use del or remove? Srinivasa, see, Srinivasa, we have some methods in every data types. Okay, we have some methods in every data types. Okay, so we can't use some method from the different data types in different data types. Okay, okay. So every data types has its own method. So you can use that methods to do the function. Okay, okay, Srinivasa. Key error. Key error Apple. What is the code? Darshita, can you give me the code? I think there is some key error. Have you write in the correct spelling? Have you write in the correct spelling? Methods are dependent on data types. Yes, Srinivasa, it depends. He can use a data.pop, but it will remove what it is saying. It will randomly. Is it? It is. Yes. Sudhir, yes, you're right. Okay, so the pop method basically removes your elements. Okay, removes your element, but you don't know that which element will be deleted. Okay, which element will be deleted. Okay, remove apple from my set. Hashtag dot remove a data dot remove. Darshita, can you show me the set which you have created? Can you show me the set which you have created? Yes. Can you show me the set which you have created? I think. What Arif? What you are saying? Please set. What set? Okay, this is the dictionary. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apple. Sudhi 3, 4. Bangalore. Correct. Correct. Your set is correct, Darshita. So you are writing this data dot remove apple. Data dot remove apple. You have write it like this. Correct. The code is correct, Darshita. The code is correct. Can you go to the runtime and run all? Can you go to your runtime and just run all? Just click this. Just click this. Okay, code is correct. Code is correct. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Arif, what you are saying? What you are saying? No? Okay, okay, no issue. Okay, guys, so I'm saying that I have created the set. I have add some values. I have add some values. I have deleted some values also, guys. I have deleted some values also, guys. Correct? Correct? Okay? Okay, guys. Now, here, how to replace what you want to replace, Arif. What you want to replace, you can remove that. You can remove that. There is no indexing, so you can't update the values. Okay, Arif, you can't update the values like in the place of apple, I want mango, right? Okay, because it is unordered. It is unordered, right? Or it is OIC. Yeah. Yes, Arif. Okay. Okay, everyone. So we have seen these different methods in sets also, guys. We have seen these different methods in sets. So in sets, we also have union and intersection, guys. Union and intersection. We have studied about the union and intersection in sets also. Correct or not, guys? You have studied about the union and intersection also. Yes? Yeah, correct, guys. Okay, okay. Now, what is this union and intersection, guys? Now, what is this union? Let's say I have created a set. Let's say we have frozen set, which, yeah, frozen set means we can update that. You can update the values basically. Okay, you can update the values. Okay, now let's say if I have my set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say if I have my set 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say I have my set 2, let's say B. In B, I have some values. Ma'am, you have said that we cannot add, modify other sets values. You have said that we cannot add or modify. No, you can add, Sanil. See, we are adding this. We are adding this. I'm saying that you cannot update. You cannot update because how you can update the values if you don't have any index or key? How can you update the sets value if you don't have any keys or if you don't have any indexing in that? Because it is unordered, it is not indexable. Correct, Sunny? If it is unordered, it is not indexable. So how can you modify that? Sorry, how can you update the values basically? Okay, yeah. So you can do add or delete. Madam, all are mutable. Am I right? No, tuple is not mutable. Arif, tuple is not mutable. We will see that. Okay, tuple is not mutable. Okay. Okay, guys, clear? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm saying that it is my A, and here I write, let's say, some values like 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys. Now 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what is the union? Have you studied about the union and intersection, guys, in your maths class? Basically, when you studied about the sets, also, guys. When you studied about the sets, also, you have seen the Venn diagram also. Correct? Let's say, guys, let's say this is my set 1. Okay. This is my set 1. Okay. This is my set 1, and this is my set 2, guys. Okay. A plus B and removes duplicates. Yeah, that is what Subhri. Okay. Now here, let's say here are my some values. Here are my some values in my set. Okay. Here are some values, and here are my some values in another set. Okay. Okay. Another set. Even if it is mutable, we cannot update the values from sets. Am I correct? Yeah, correct. It says mutable, sets are mutable, but we cannot update. We can add, we can delete in sets, but we cannot update because we don't have any key or we don't have any indexing in sets, right? We don't have any keys or indexing in sets, so we can't update the values. Okay, we can delete, we can add. So that's modification we can do. So that's why it is mutable. Okay, yeah. Okay, same column required. In which RF, in which context you are trying to say? Okay, okay. So here I in union same column required. See here in union what it does. Let's say I have some values in my set 1 and I have some values in my set 2. It will just join them. Okay, okay. It will just join this. Union means basically adding these two things. Okay, adding these two things. What is the issue, Arif? Yes, you have raised the hand. Okay, okay. Even we cannot add multiple values. Data dot add 1, 2, 1. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, clear. So what union is doing? Okay. What you? Okay, ma'am. Last में अब पूछ लेना सेशन फास्ट चल रहा है because as a beginner मेरे लिए थोड़ा fast चल रहा है, so that's why I'm telling you. Okay, Pranav. Okay, Pranav. So we can stop here. Okay, okay, Pranav. If you guys are saying that if I'm going fast, okay, I can stop here. Okay, I can stop here, guys. Okay. So we will see about the union and intersection tomorrow. Okay, we will see about the union and intersection tomorrow. Okay, okay, guys. Clear, everybody? What I have told you till this part, it is clear to you or not, Pranav? It is clear to you or not? Till this part, if it is clear to you or not? You have any doubt what I have told you in like this? Till this, it is clear to you or not, Pranav? Tell me. Yes. Okay. If it is clear. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm stopping here. Okay. I'm stopping here. I'll share you the file also, guys. Okay. I'll share you the file also. Okay. I asked everybody, if you have any doubt, you can tell me. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. If you don't have any doubt, so we can move forward. We can move forward, guys. Correct? Yeah, yeah. Okay, Pranav. Recall करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है. Okay, okay. No issue. No issue. Okay. In tomorrow class, when I come, I'll first recall you about what I have told you. Okay. First, I'll recall the things. Okay, and then I will move on to the next thing. Okay. Then I will move on to the next. Okay, Pranav. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt? Guys, till here, anybody any doubt? No. No, guys. Everybody is clear. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any doubt, if you don't have any doubts, so we can end the session. Even we cannot add multiple values in data dot add. You can add values using data dot add. Okay. Okay. You can add what you are trying to say, Sanil. You want to add multiple values using add function because you can add only single element at that add function. Okay. Yes, Subdeep, I can understand what you are saying. I can understand, but I have to answer all the queries. Okay, I have to answer all the queries. That's why. Okay. Yeah, you cannot add multiple. See, in add function, you can add one element only. Okay, Sanil. In add function, you can add one element. In add function, you can add one element only. Okay, Sanil. In add function, you can add one element only. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Bye, Pranav. Bye. Okay, Sanil. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Anybody any doubt or okay? Okay, Sapna. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. If anybody don't have any doubt, I can end the session. Yeah. 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 Sudeep, I can understand. Okay. And thank you for your suggestion also, Sudeep. Thank you so much. I'll take that. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. And I hope everybody is clear with the session. Okay, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys. I'm ending the meeting. I'm ending the meeting now. Okay.